Are you in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, and you'd like to learn how to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home? $100, $200 a week? All you need is a laptop and an internet connection and the knowledge I'm going to share with you about how to trade. I'll show you how to get to the website, what buttons to push. In our 50s, we need to know what buttons to push, okay? Let's learn to trade. Hi, welcome to my channel, Mindful Trading. My name is Tara, and I am prepared to go on a journey with you as we learn how to trade. My little dog is down here. Say hi, Bailey. Hello. Okay, let's get down. I found in my journey that there aren't a lot of channels that are dedicated to older traders or more mature traders like myself. I am in my 50s, my mid-50s, and I started trading just a couple of years ago. And I think that it's a really valuable skill, and it's certainly something that you can learn. I am a retired educator. I've taught for over 30 years, all the way down from preschool, all the way up through community college. So I have taught all ages, and I can explain things in a way that's really clear and conducive to learning. This is a new experience for me, just having a YouTube channel. So I hope that you'll come along with me as I attempt to grow, and hopefully will be a benefit and a blessing to many, in the future. As we age, we really need to, it really helps to learn something new. And then also, it's a way to supplement our income. Wouldn't it be great to have extra income for going to the grocery store? We all know that groceries are higher nowadays. It'd be great to have extra income to help take care of those bills. And speaking of bills, wouldn't it be great to be able to pay 1 or 2 bills per month with the income that you're earning from trading? That sounds like a winner to me, definitely. And it's great to be able to spend time with our families, with our children and our grandchildren, and have extra money to buy them toys and books, educational ones, of course, from the words of a teacher. And being able to spend time with our older grandkids, or helping them with items that they're going to need for school, like clothes and backpacks and things like that, is great. And remember about traveling. Being able to explore the world and travel with our family and friends sounds wonderful, or even solo. Like and subscribe and share with others. Thanks so much. We look forward to seeing you again soon.